Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. We have got a bit of a special one here. You know what this is. Why am I waving a knife at you? So let's do it. We're going to open this bad boy up and we're going to say SJ's going to speed up about now. Woo, we're back. We're back. SJ, this camera, please. Cool, we're all good. So we have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. They are white metallic gold. They are a UK 10.5. That makes them a US 11.5. They're a women's 13 and the code is DC9936100. And we get the multicolour Quick Strike box. SJ, back to the middle, please. Okay, so woodcut paper. Woodcut. Oh my word. So I watched last night, everyone. I was watching the Board of Southsea Instagram Live, and if you don't follow them on Instagram, go do it. And oh, these are, and they were special. They were showing these shoes, and they're special. So, you ready for it? Oh my word! SJ, what do you think? First impressions. That's it. That's it. Unboxing done. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go and put these on. No, genuinely, everyone. So first impression is, that is amazing. What a thing of beauty. Oh my word. Right, we're gonna come straight in. So I don't know where to start, SJ. There's so many details on here. But everyone, if you don't know what we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. We do stream every Sunday night, usually at 8 PM UK time. That's 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. Whew, I've said that bit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that malarkey. So first of all, my first impressions is, oh my God, oh my word, there's there's all kinds of special things, and these are obviously everyone. So what have we got? We've got the Nike SB Dunk. They're the Sean Cliver. I suppose they're the Holiday 2020, but they are a beautiful thing. So SJ, I think we need to go over to the other cameras. I do. Let's go to this one, because the first thing I want to show you all, is that showing up? Yes. So first thing, before we go in any further, right, I'm going to go right in close so you can really see that. You can really see it. The perforations on the toe box. It's a snowflake. It is a snowflake. And there's also, like, look at the leather. The leather's looking soft. And I'm going to come back. The leather, I can report. Like, let's just get the paper out so I can really talk to this. Over there. Oh my word, the leather is incredible. That's incredible leather. Sounds peculiar, doesn't it? So we've got obviously Sean Cliver, well known within the skate community, and this is actually, I believe, his. One second, I think there's someone at the door. There's somebody at the door, haha. There's somebody at the door, hee hee, haha, ho 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 ho. And you can tell always that Huxley definitely always gives us a little bit of a warning when there's somebody at the door. There was somebody at the door. They were just dropping a card off. So we're going to get back to it. So I've already talked to the snowflake. I want you to look. I want you to have a proper look at the suede on that toe box. Right, we're going to come really in. Like, you can see how nice is that. That's a really lovely suede. A lovely baby blue there. But yeah, this is the third shoe from Sean Cliver. I think it's Cliver. It might be Cleaver. I think it's Cliver. And back in 2012, he did the Grampus, a dunk high, amazing materials again, red and black. And he's always going with a holiday theme. Now, let's come back in. And then obviously earlier in the year, we had the StrangeLove. Now, have a look at the swoosh. Now, it's a bit... The strange thing is, like, so if you just said to me, like, just describe to me, okay, we have got a gold swoosh with pale baby blue and white, I'd have been like, I'm not sure. But SJ, if we go over this camera, because I want to come over here because I feel more comfortable on this one. The gold on it, it's not like blingy gold. And I was talking to somebody about this yesterday. And we think it's because it's a darkerish gold. It's still gold. It's still shiny. It's still metallic. It just doesn't look as bad as like what could have been peculiar. Now, if we fling ourselves back to the heel, look at that. Look at that there. And you've got a hit of silver there, just on the back heel there. The other thing to note as well is if we look at this very closely, if I'm going to bring it right in so you can see the stitching there on the midsole, it's pulling through that gold accent again all the way through. And if we spin that round, then SJ probably, yeah, you're having trouble focusing. I'm having trouble holding it up. But and I'll just bring it back there so you can get the full view. So we've got that there. The other element I want to talk, like the leather on the side panel on there, that is amazingly soft as well. Now you can see already we've got like these silver metallic Nike normal standard laces, SB laces, but they're actually metallic. So they're a little bit tougher to pull through. And if we come onto the tongue tab, let's do that. Onto the tongue tab. I can't speak. Tongue tab, everyone. Let's have a look. Is very nice. You can see, actually SJ's pointing to the middle camera, probably makes sense. Yeah, you can see it better. I'm going to bring that right in close, SJ. You might want to tap, 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 tappy tap. You can see very clearly it's got his name there. So it doesn't say Dunk Low Pro or anything. It's got his name, which is kind of cool. Now, why don't we come onto the lining of the shoe? Because like in this at the start of the year with the StrangeLove, and he went with this plush velvet type material, he's done the same again. And I think it really sets the shoe off. It's really, really good. I don't know whether you can see it so well under this. Can you? SJ's giving me the nod. You can really see that. And I'm just checking if there's any other secret details. Of course, finally, it wouldn't be Christmas without a bit of sparkle. And look at the sparkle there. And if you go and actually, if you look at the Krampus ones from 2012, if you look at the sole on that, while it's black, it's also speckled. And I know lots of people are not feeling the sort of glitter on the sole, but that kind of represents Christmas and sparkle and, you know, all of the glittery things that you see at this time of year. Now, you know, you all want to see the inner soles of these. So I'm going to pull those out now. But if you haven't subscribed, everyone, don't forget to go and do that. It's somewhere down below, somewhere down here. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. But I'd also say to everyone, if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because it really does notify you when we upload. And I know a big bunch of you, a lot of you who do subscribe and do watch our videos aren't actually coming through on the notification bell. So why don't you go do that now while I just show you this, SJ. Now look at that. As always, a bit cheeky with the artwork. And it's pretty solid. Now the good thing about these shoes is actually, when we think about the inner sole here, the inner sole is different in each one. And so let's untuck those laces. Oh my word, I've got to get this out. I've got to get the paper out, everyone. And I was so excited that these literally came and we were like, right, we've got to make a video. And it's actually Saturday afternoon. So hopefully you're actually watching this tonight, because I am going to put this out tonight, Saturday night, but we've got to get this video out because it's so good. Oh, I really want to get this inner sole out. Now, I know the best thing about Dunks, everyone, is also they don't stick the inner soles in. So not surprising. It's a standard zoom, as you all know. But look at that. Snow, snow, snow. And if we come right in, signed. Obviously, every single one of them signed. But I think that's kind of cool. If you're Sean, you're like, boom, I finally got my signature on everything. And you should follow him on Instagram, because he is super humble, super humble. And the final thing I want to show you as well, everyone. Boom, alternate laces. Now, we've got the silver. You've got the silver there, and then you've got the white and the gold. And I believe that I think I might go with the gold. SJ's giving me a look. I just like the way that it would complement and accent the swoosh. I don't think I'd go with white. I think white's a bit like, these shoes need a special lace. They definitely need a special lace. And so, you know, with the gold and the silver, like the silver's good. Ooh, I've just noticed something, everyone. Now, I think we're going to have to go over to this camera, SJ, because it's so small. It's so small. And I'm just checking the other shoe. It's on both shoes. Yeah, it is. Right. I don't know if you're going to get that. If you focus right in on the aglet, can you see it? There's his signature. Tiny, tiny. It's difficult to hold it still, SJ. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. It really hurts. Zoom. There we go. You don't want to see my fingers that close up. Back to the middle, SJ. So, people, did you get these? Did you hit out? Were you lucky? Were you lucky? I have to say we have been very, very lucky with these. These are very nice. They're such a lovely shoe. And the suede on, like the materials, aside from the execution, because obviously I didn't talk as well just about how we've got the piping, the grey piping around there, just around the top of the tongue. But the quality of that suede is spectacular. Now, the question becomes, everyone, do we do the SJ Nike test? I think we do. And I think we need to show up both shoes, because I've just seen something. I have. And she's like, SJ's, what you don't see, everyone, is I usually have SJ and she's dancing around in front of the camera here, or behind the camera. She's yawning. I must be boring you all today. Proper boring you. But what do we think? Now, I want you to look at this one. I'm going to try and straighten the shoe. And then I want you to look at this one. And I don't think they're actually straight. And that one in particular, like I'm going to come right into the camera. I swear that's not straight. I swear. Right, let's just go over here so we can really see it under the light. What do you think, everyone? I'm trying to keep still. It's not straight, is it? It is gold. Like, it's gold stitched. It's just not straight. Like, it's not so much the E. Oh my God. I really want to go to the factory in where's this one made? It is made in Vietnam. I want to go to the factory and I want to talk to them just randomly, like, have you got a problem with your Nike stitching machine for the heel or something? Because it definitely always seems a little bit squiffy at the moment. It's like it's had a bit of a smoke or something. Maybe it has. Maybe the machine is smoking. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, what do you think, everyone? What a way to round the year out. What a way to round the year out. They are a beautiful shoe. I shouldn't say that. It's a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I should not say that. That's so wrong. It's a beautiful shoe. SJ tried to get these as well in her sizes, and we struck out because she would really love a baby blue dunk. I think, you know, that's definitely an SJ colorway. Let me know in the comments below, is this a colorway that suits you? Or does it not suit you? What do you think of the materials? What I really want to know from you is, from your perspective, what is your dunk of the year? This is high for me, but it's not dunk of the year. It's not dunk of the year for me. I'm going to put over there, I'm going to put the top video over here will be what I think was my dunk of the year today, on Saturday, the 19th of 2020. Now, it's quite possible that on the 20th of 2020 in December, I would have changed my mind. But go and look at a video over here, because that will really help us as well in the algorithm. And let us know in the comments, what's your dunk of the year? And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up.